we're just focusing on Shades of Violet by Jenny Brandon. The Juventus New Music Ensemble. Every year they feature a different person from the ensemble. This year it is our violists recital, and they call it the center stage. It's so chill this week because I just have one piece that I'm focusing on.
Like, one of the most important things is not to be too slow at B.
It's windy out. And clip arts were on sale. I just finished performing. Today we are pulling a double. What I mean by that is, well, first of all, it's a bunch of different reasons. So I'm having my coffee right now. I have to leave in 30 minutes and I am not ready. It's gonna be close. Before I do anything productive, just so that I don't mess anything up, Muppetalica, master of Muppets. It's been one of those weekends that's just crazy busy. Yesterday, I taught a bunch of lessons and then had a concert. Today, I have a shibui rehearsal first, then I'm driving to Sudbury to have another concert in the afternoon at 4 o'clock. Well, the concert's in 4, my call time is really early, like 2 something. So we've got the rehearsal, we've got the concert. It is also Sunday. And what I'm hoping to do after the concert is a quick, breezy, easy food shopping. And I hope to also cook something tonight for meal prep this week. My hair's still looking good. Not gonna fuss with it. My makeup is already packed from yesterday, so I can do my makeup at the venue. I need to make a decision whether or not I'm gonna wear my concert clothes. I think I'm gonna wear them. For breakfast, I've got Cliff Bars from yesterday in the car. So I think I'm gonna get dressed in my concert black. I have black flats, but they hurt my feet so bad, so I think I'm gonna wear my black combat boots and bring my flats to change into when I get there. Black pants, black belt, black shirt, black blazer. My blazer is still here from when I took it off last night. Cheers to a busy day. I also need to put everything in my case. I have to switch cases and I need to bring at least 2 clarinets with me. It's stressful switching a case because you gotta bring everything, and I just hope I have everything. Outfit of the day. I like this top. I keep forgetting that I have it. I think it's good for a Sunday afternoon concert. I do like the back. Little V. Different. I think I have everything. I think we're ready to go. Just in the nick of time also. Let's see. Yep. Okay, I've got my concert shoes, I've got my iPad charged, I've got my foot pedal, I've got extra batteries, I've got my makeup, I've got my money, my ID, my B-flat clarinet, my bass clarinet, Invisalign supplies, toothbrush, toothpaste, case. And I know exactly where that is.
Go on. So I mean, and I don't know. I think it works. I think what we had last time works really well.
Is this the one that ends with 2-4?
Yeah.
Okay. 3-2, 2-2,
Well,
2-3. Did we cut one of them?
Well, I was thinking about cutting 2-3, but then that just created its own problems. I did write possibly cut, but ignore that.
Okay.
Also ignore my
Oh, I just
my
got
note
it.
for myself about
Huh. I need to like chill with the weather. We're getting a bad storm. There it is. Starting tomorrow really early, we're getting like tons of rain, tons of wind. I keep getting like notifications, and usually if it's like a rain all day kind of thing, I don't get notifications. So just the fact that I'm getting notifications, I don't know. I've got about, oh my God, only an hour to get to my sound check. I'm going now to Sudbury. I stayed here a little bit later because I wanted to make sure that we had enough time to run through everything. And if there's like food on the way, I might stop. If there's safe food on the way, I think I will stop just to get something quick. I mean, I have 2 boxes of Cliff Bars, so I do have sustenance, but it'd be nice to get a little bit of variety because all I've had since like last night are Cliff Bars. Let's go to Sudbury and do the same concert I did last night. Really good read earlier. Just a matter of if I can find it. I think it was this one. I think it is. I'm gonna go out to the sanctuary and wait until it's my turn to sound check. We're back. I just performed. They're playing the last piece now. I feel so good about the way that we played. I also feel so honored that this violist asked me to play this piece with her. It's a duo, Shades of Violet. If you've been following my channel for a little while, you are very familiar with Shades of Violet. It is a piece that I am playing 5 times this year. This was the 4th time I've played it. The 5th will be sometime in April. If I'm being honest, last night's performance, I think, went a little bit better. Well, that's not true. They're about the same. There was nothing wrong with the way that we played. It's just like, as a clarinetist, it's like, oh, one of my notes didn't come out like the perfect way. It was cool because at this venue, I'm able to see the audience. And so when I took like my final bow and everybody is clapping and happy, I just kind of like took a scan of the room and I just see so many like happy smiling faces and people who like, I mean, it's such a good piece of music. It is immaculate. I always say that the piece does exactly what you want it to do. Like you're listening to it and it's like, oh, is it gonna resolve on this chord? And it does, and it's so refreshing. It's such a satisfying piece to play, like as a musician, and it's a satisfying piece to listen to as an audience member. If you saw my video last week, you know that I taught for like 4 hours and then I did a concert. Today I had a rehearsal this morning for 2 hours and then I came here for the concert. It is currently 5 o'clock
p.m. A couple days ago, when I was younger, I was like, I'll just go food shopping after the concert. But now that the end of the concert is here, I'm gonna wait for the concert to finish. They do have a reception downstairs that the church puts on. It's a chance to like yap and meet the audience, and they get to talk to us and tell us how great we did. Have a little snack, a little convo. That just happened during the last piece. I'm gonna make sure everything's like ready to go. I'm gonna put the link to the live stream of our concert below so that you can listen to the live stream. I mean, the live stream happened last night, but I'll put it here. It came out stunning. It looks great. It sounds incredible. It is professional. And I especially just really love the way that I played last night. Just everything sort of like clicked into place and it felt really good. We have two options for dinner. I could order ahead Thai food and pick it up on the way home. Or Colin said that he had intended to make dumplings and scallion pancakes on Friday night, and he didn't. I would love some dumplings because the only thing I have had between last night and now are Cliff Bars, and I'm done. In my comfy clothes, and I went to go take off my makeup and then realized I forgot to put makeup on. Oops. I brought it with me. I just didn't